everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do a spring fresh update of my front entryway. We are going to change out a few things in my entryway just to kind of make it fresh and exciting and ready for spring. So that is what we're going to do in today's video. I don't have really a big entryway. I basically have a front room that we use to come in the front door and go out the front door, and it leads into our kitchen and our main living space. So I'm going to take you along with this and see what we get done and kind of just refresh it and make it a little bit more exciting for spring. Okay, so basically what I did was I added this cigar basket and I put a box wreath with some of the ticking stripe thrifted material around it. And this church I've had for some time, and that's right there. It is a little cracked on top because it's a little damaged, but it works well. Below it I placed this crock here with this Lowe's plant. And I love incorporating greens into my home during the spring and summertime just because it just lightens up the space so much. On the bench I have these two DIY pillow covers that I made using thrifted material and a Dollar Tree doily. And then this last minute addition, which you really can't see too well, I'm trying to get a good angle, is these shears from Better Homes and Garden that I got from Walmart. And then right here, I'm going to get a little closer view, is this linen. And there are some wrinkles in it that I'm going to kind of steam out once I decide 100% if I want to keep them. So let me know in the comments below if I should keep them, if it does lighten up the space. If you've been following me for a while, I had a darker curtain here. And I love it. I still love the material, but I just wanted to freshen some things up in my entryway and just make it a little bit more inviting for spring. So that is what we have here. So let me know. It is still a lot dark. It's very dark in this room, but I feel like this has lightened the space up a lot. So if you enjoy spring videos, let me know in the comments below. And hit that like button. And remember to hit subscribe. And I'll see you guys real soon. Have a great day.